How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to do the oil change on the 99 to 2006 Toyota Celica. So to get access to your oil pan and oil filter, you need to remove the splash shield. There's 8 clips that you need to take out. They are these types of clips. You just pull them straight down. So now you can locate your oil pan, and on the back side is your drain plug. That is a 14 millimeter. So to do this job, you're going to need a catch can for your oil, a filter, and some 5W30 motor oil. And it's never a bad idea to have a roll of shop towels. Put your catch can underneath your drain plug and take your 14 millimeter, break your plug loose, and once you have it loose enough where you can do it with your fingers, keep pressure on the plug while you unthread it, and once you know you're good, just pull it out real quick. And now we'll let that drain out, and just take a shop towel, clean up around this area, and reinsert your drain plug. Make sure you install a new crush washer on your drain plug, and we can torque this to 28 foot-pounds. Your oil filter is located in front of the oil pan. You may need an oil filter wrench to loosen this, but if not, you can just grab it by hand. Make sure you have your catch can underneath and rotate this counterclockwise. And we'll let that old oil drain out. And now just clean up the area where the new filter will sit. Take your new filter with a little bit of oil and just rub it around the new seal. And now we're good to screw this on. You don't need to over tighten oil filters. I notice a lot of people do that. Once it's snug, just give it like a quarter turn. And now that's all set. Clean up any excess oil. And now you can reinstall the splash guard. And now that our splash guard's in, we're good to lower the vehicle down and add the oil. Unscrew your oil cap. This engine takes roughly 4.6 quarts. And we'll locate the oil dipstick. We'll pull this out, clean it off, reinsert it, pull it out again, and we'll check the oil level. We're right at the line. So what we will do is start the vehicle up and let the engine run, shut it back off, and then recheck it. Before you start it, reinstall your oil cap. And now that we shut the engine off and let it sit for a minute, we'll recheck the oil level. Pull your dipstick out first, clean it off, reinsert it, and now you can check. You want your oil level to be right at that notch, right here. And that's where this one is, so we are all set. And that completes this video on how to do the oil change on the Celica. If this video helped you out, if you give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button.